All right, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do our stock of the week. It's Tuesday. Let's do an energy play. We bought ET, right? A couple weeks back, we bought ET. That's an energy play. Let's get a little bit more specific. Let's get into some Canadian oil, right? And it's a good time, right, guys? First thing the Biden administration did was come and shut down pipelines and stuff. Really affected Canada, right? But I'll tell you something about that oil in Canada. That oil in Canada is going somewhere. Whether it goes to the southern United States through a pipeline or whether it goes to other countries on a boat. That oil is going somewhere. So it's not going to stop the train. Might deviate it, but it won't stop it. Suncor is a great company. It's a great company with a long track record, and it fits our criteria, right? Our criteria for growth stocks. We want dividends, we want growth, and we want a nice long future. We want to buy it, and we want to hold on to it for a while, right? We want passive income, great dividends, and stuff like that. So, like I said, without further ado, I'm standing in front of the Suncor plant. Just kidding. Unless they've moved to Kalihi. Let's go take a look at the chart. All right. And let's see if he can share the screen here without screwing up the recording. There we go. Let's move that handsome guy up there. He can be up there. You guys see this? This is a one-year chart of Suncor, and you can see pre-pandemic, the stock really was trading around or post-pandemic, it found a home there when we got that reopening, right? And then it found a little bit of a home back at $16, $17. Then we had the shutdown again, right? The second shutdown. And it really took it a little hard, right? There in October. And then coming out of that, you see how it immediately retook that 17, and now it's moving back up. We think this is your buy area. It's got good support here going back. It's got good support at $20 going all the way back. But here's the thing with this one. Let's open up to a 2-year chart. Look at pre-pandemic, how this thing just hugged that $31, $32, $33 level. That's what we like. And consistently consistent dividends. And the earnings were okay, right? We know pre-pandemic, it was profitable. It got a little beat up during the pandemic, like so many companies, but it's just razor close to being back to profitability. A little bit of reopening love, and it should be fine. We think this is a great buy here. In fact, this morning as a group, just for total disclosure, we bought some options all the way out to September on this thing. So that way we get a little bit of look, whether you buy the stock or if you find some options, we bought some $25 calls all the way out to September. That way we get another reopening love, right? We get the summer love, July 4th and stuff like that. Big travel time, right? Summer. And then we get a little bit of that Labor Day love, right? As we roll back into school reopening and the end of the year. So look, guys, we like this. So if you guys, if you're interested in getting a nice energy stock, and here's the other side of this, let's go look a little bit at the analytics. So it is a business summary. They do pipelines and all that kind of stuff, movement of oil and stuff. But if you look, this has got a great P&E, 2054, great P&E, good dividend yield, very low shorts out, shares short and stuff like that. Very normal. So we like everything about this, especially the chart, guys. So if you're looking for an idea in energy, maybe take a look at Suncor. Great Canadian company, been around forever, been successful forever, even through the pandemic, paying a nice dividend, and that'll probably go up as it gets a little bit profitable again. It really got beat up during the pandemic, guys. It really got beat up during the pandemic, and it hurt that balance sheet. But you can see as it's rolling out of the pandemic, that balance sheet's got stronger and stronger and stronger. Okay. And again, you buy when they sell, you sell when they buy. All right, gang. Enjoy your stock of the week. We'll be back tomorrow morning with the morning update, and next week, another stock of the week.